Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert an article from Pocket into PDF using PDF.co and Zapier. Let's start. First, we're going to create an article in Pocket and put it in the archives. We'll use the URL from Wikipedia and save it as an article. After saving it as an article, it's time to put it in the archives. Now that we're done setting up what we need to do in Pocket, we'll move on to Zapier and create a Zap. Search and select Pocket as the trigger app. Then, select New Archived Item as the trigger event. After that, select or connect the Pocket account that you're going to use. Once you're done, you may now test the trigger to check if there are archived articles in your Pocket account. Since we're done with the trigger, let's now set up our action. Search and select PDF.co as the action app. Choose anything to PDF Converter as the action event. Then, select or connect your PDF.co account. Time to set up the action parameters. For the input type, leave it as link to a web page. For the input, select the URL of your archived article. You may choose to name your output PDF or not. Then, click Continue. We will now test our action. Once the test is successful, you will get a URL to your output PDF. Let's use this URL to check out the output PDF. Here's the article that was converted into a PDF. Once you're satisfied with the result, it's time to add another action to automatically save it to Dropbox. Search and select Dropbox as the action app. Then, select Upload File as the action event. Select or connect your Dropbox account. To set up where to upload the file, select the folder where you want the file to be uploaded. Under File, put the result URL that you get from the PDF.co action. You may rename the file that you uploaded or leave it as it is. Then, click Continue. Time to test the action. Once the test returns as successful, you may now check your Dropbox account. As you can see, the file was uploaded to the folder that was selected. That's it for this tutorial. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our YouTube channel or on our website. Thanks for watching.